When we did the inspection for this house, we did a pre-inspection, and one of the repairs that we recommended the seller actually do was actually to add a pan under the hot water heater. This was installed in 2002, and there was no pan and no drain going to the exterior. So if there was ever a leak in the house, or in the hot water heater I should say, the water could damage any of the finished material on the inside of the house. And this was just a repair that we recommended, and they went ahead and completed the repair for us.